Lockheed Martin Sikorsky has signed a strategic agreement with German defense firm Rheinmetall teaming for competing in the German Air Force planned replacement of Sikorsky's CH-53G transport helicopters under a €4 billion heavy-lift helicopter. It is introduced as a new platform that features innovative new airframe engine design and much increased lift capability. It can carry almost 16 tons of payloads internally and externally while operating within the same footprint of current CH-53E. It provides modern, unparalleled heavy lift capabilities needed to complete their rigorous missions. Built to thrive on the modern battlefield, including shipboard operations, it is designed to be intelligent, reliable, low maintenance and survivable in the most austere and remote forward operating bases. Designed to move troops and equipment from ship to shore, and to higher altitude terrain, more quickly and effectively than ever before.